Aloha! My name is Sydney. What's your name?
Aloha, my name is Jerem. How can I help you, Sydney?
Jerem, what do you guys do in this office?
Well, you are in the Counseling and Disability Services office. I'm an office assistant here, and this is Brenna.
Hi.
She's the office manager.
Hi. What kind of counseling is offered here?
So counseling, our counselors are all mental health professionals. They assist and help students resolve personal, social, and psychological problems and difficulties.
What are some of the topics you guys have?
So counseling topics include anxiety, depression, stress, trauma, addiction, and relationships. We offer both telemental health and in-person appointments for individual and couples counseling.
So who's available and eligible for counseling?
So all BYU Hawaii full-time students and their dependents who are residing on the island are all eligible for counseling services.
How much does it cost?
It is free for all full-time students and their dependents.
Besides individual and couple counseling, what other services do you have?
So every semester we offer workshops, support groups, drop-in events that are depending on the students' needs. We also hold outreach events and fun activities.
What are your office hours?
So our office hours are from Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 12, 1 p.m. to 5. We're closed during devotionals and on the weekends. Our office is located at McKay Building, room 181, just right across from the cafeteria. Here, I can introduce you to our counselors. So this is Liz. She is a full-time counselor here. Hi, Liz.
Hi, Jerem.
Hey.
Hi. Kia ora. I'm Liz, and I'm a licensed clinical social worker here in the state of Hawaii. I'm trained in treating depression and anxiety, trauma, women's issues, and I'm a support for our LGBT community here on campus.
Can I see a counselor my entire time at school?
Sure, we actually are short-term brief therapy. We see students about 12 sessions per year. If you need more extensive therapy, your counselor will provide more options for you.
Great, thank you.
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much, Liz.
Thanks, Jerem.
Okay, so now I'm going to introduce you to Rachel. So Rachel is also a counselor. She's also the director of the department. Hi, Rachel.
Hi, Jerem.
Aloha.
Aloha, I'm Rachel, a licensed clinical social worker with experience in addictions, co-occurring disorders, trauma, women's issues, and support for our LGBTQ students.
Is everything I share confidential?
Counselors are legally and ethically bound to maintain confidentiality regarding the things you share in counseling. Information may be released only with your written consent. Exceptions to confidentiality may include cases of endangerment to self and others, suspicion of child abuse or elder abuse, responding to a valid court order, or for clinical consultation.
Great, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Rachel.
Thank you.
How do I make an appointment?
To make an appointment, feel free to stop by our office or call us on our phone number at 808-675-3518.
Are there appointments available for walk-in?
Yes, there are. Or if you or someone else you know is in mental health crisis or mental health emergencies, please stop by our office immediately or call 911 or go to the nearest emergency room.
Great, thanks so much for telling me about counseling services.
Absolutely. Have a wonderful day.
You too.